Welcome guys. Today we're going to take on a little bit of a project here. It's first of all, we need to get that Ford F-450 out from behind all this junk, and she is in there. I don't know if any of this stuff even runs. I think we're gonna have to pull most of it out. Yeah, we'll go take a look back there. This Ford is kind of in the back, like away from easy access. And we ain't going that way. So she's going forwards rather. That's nice. The door is not even shut. Come on. No. Yeah. Well, you know what? That doesn't matter, I guess. Little bit of snow inside there. So we're gonna have to move some stuff out of the way, and I guess we will start with this Super Duty, and then the Jeep, which yeah, this is gonna be fun, guys. So I guess we'll get right into it. Guys, look at this. I really need to clean out my box. All right, so I think we're gonna use this Jeep here, if she fires up, to push the dually once she's up by the garage here. Oh, like a beauty. Oh, we don't want those on though. The Jeep here's got this perfect little, oh, there goes that pin. Oh, great. There we go. Perfect little hitch. This will work great. I have a hitch, but this does not. So we'll throw this in there. Guys, I really do pick the best time of year to decide to do stupid things like this. Like, look at this. There's not much snow back here, but believe me, it's too cold. It's just too cold. All right, so this is the setup we got now. This sketchy ass setup there, wrapped up around that. Well, I've narrowed it down to 2 different keys. No idea if these are actually the right ones or not, but there's like a bin bigger than my head, just full of pickup keys, and they're all Super Duties, so God knows what one's what, but we're gonna try it out. Oh, it's a tight fit. There we go, come on. Oh, yeah. First key. Doesn't seem to want to do anything. Put that there. Second key. Well, I'm gonna try these keys and give them the old wiggle wiggle. See if they open. Is this thing getting locked? Oh. But if they don't work in the door, they more than likely will not work in the ignition. Oh, but that works. Give her a little break. Oh, fucking rights, boys, we're in action. You just gotta wiggle around a bit. It ain't the right key, but she goes. All right, so we got 2 new batteries. I just dropped 2 new batteries right here. Charging them up with the Powerstroke. We're gonna place them in here, and hopefully this thing will start up, because these batteries I think are pooched. I unfortunately don't have anyone here to help me, so I'm gonna be holding the camera this whole time. All right, this isn't the right key for it. It works. Holy boys. She does not sound happy. She started though, and smoky. It's crazy how much batteries really help. Now, the batteries that were in there are obviously done. They've been outside in the cold for months. They didn't start at all, not even a crank. It would just click. Put some new batteries in her, fire died up. All right. It's the first time she's been open in a long while. Oh. And there she is, the old V8 that will be no more. Now, I'd just like to point out, I love Fords. I am a total Ford guy. I love power strokes. I love 6 liters. 7.3s are good. 6.7s they're the best, I think, honestly. I mean, I got one. But these damn 6.4s, these guys, they're just not good. They are not good engines. This one has 300,000, I believe, so that's pretty good for a 6.4, I think, but it'll be better with a Cummins anyways. Time to get this guy moved out of here. One step closer to the truck. We're gonna use my Jeep, pull out this Jeep. I just wrapped her around the axle there. Hopefully she don't roll in the back of mine. I got the e-brake on, so who knows? We'll see, I guess. All right, e-brake's on, a little bit too tight. All right, 2 clicks, let's try that. Oh, we're slipping. That worked pretty smooth. Let's crank the heat in here so when we get back it's warm. Now I just gotta grab the batteries out of that truck and put them in that truck. All right, I'm gonna try to hot swap this. And by that I mean I'm gonna pull out one battery, put the old one back in, and then keep doing that till I have both old ones back in the truck. And hopefully I can get my good ones, but the truck will stay running, because if it shuts off, those old batteries don't have enough life in them to fire back up. All right, moment of truth. Woo! One down, one to go. I fucking hate these stupid battery box things. I forgot to put it on, so guess what? You ain't getting it. Let's throw this stupid thing away. Oh, that's handy. This door doesn't shut. All right. Oh, she's frozen. Ugh. So I got the batteries here from the other truck that is currently still running over there until I find a place to park it. But now, now we can finally get the batteries in this girl. So much. Look at this, looks like a f***ing rat got to this. Or something. Ate half of it. You don't need battery cozies. This is it. Alright, don't mind the wiring. Some idiot tried installing a remote start in this thing at one point in time. Alright, we'll just turn that down. Well, oh, she fires right up like a purring kitten. Woo! Now, at first glance, you might be thinking, dude, why are you ripping out the motor? Well, you can kind of hear the misfire she's got. That ain't nothing till it kicks into limp mode. It sounds like a 6 liter that's dying. And I'll probably get footage of that at some point here, but yeah, she ain't a good and healthy motor no more. She's got like 20 PSI for compression on cylinder 8. Yeah. Uh-oh. Mirrors don't work. There we go. Just gotta extend them a little bit. I'm just checking all the tires here because I don't think it's on the bead no more. All right, so put in drive. A little bit of a puff. She does roll though. And I promise she rolls more than frickin' blue. She don't sound healthy. Well, before I take it in the old garage, I think I'm gonna have to clean her off some so we don't end up with an ocean of water in there. Yeah, as you guys can hear, she's not the healthiest sounding, but that's gonna change soon enough. And guys, I'm not too worried about the box and the body, like dents there. We got a dents here and over there. The side's a little beat up. I'm not worried about that stuff, guys. I'm gonna put a 17 style box on it. Might as well. That looked kind of cool, I think. Maybe upgrade the front end to something better than the 6.4. All right, so this is day 3 of this conversion. I looked at the motor today. My plan was just to put a 24 valve into my Ford. Keep the Ford tranny and all, right? I think plans have changed a little bit because we want to be different here at Rev. Instead of doing the typical engine swap, I think we're going to be swapping the transmission as well, but not just any transmission. And I will get to that. I will get to that soon. When I go to pick up the motor, because I haven't picked it up yet, I will make sure to record a bunch of that stuff when we're loading it and stuff, because it's out of town about 10 minutes. There's this piece of tape in the back here somewhere. I don't know where it is back there. But man, is it annoying. Oh, there we go. All right, guys, we are in the shop here, garage rather, and there it is. I almost took out this tripod. Ready to have our engine ripped out. Now, we don't have a lot of space here to work with, but I think that's all we need. Oh. I think I locked it so no one stole it. That would have probably been easier. Get some light up in here. Aha! Let there be light. I don't even know where to begin on this guy. So I think we'll start with draining the coolant and go from there. Step 1, find the coolant petcock. This guy, right there. Look at that. Now that's a flow. There we go. All right, so I will get back in a minute once this is all drained out. Look at this, guys. I got my cord coming from up there down here. And I got this guy mounted up in there. I think we should start taking off all these little guys. As it sounds like most of that coolant has stopped draining now. We'll just take all the radiators off. Actually, I think I could leave that guy. There we go. Look at that, little spider webs. And there's something down there with hoses and whatnot. Where's the other side of this? Let's see if we can get this intake off. I don't know if it's coming off with these radiators here. Look at that. A lot of oil in there. I'm going to get the bottom half of this radiator off and I will show that part. Taking off the intercooler and look at this. That's coolant from the whatever. Don't worry about that. But look at that. It's full of oil. So see if I can get this guy off here. Well, that was a lot of oil coming out of the intercooler. That's not supposed to be there. Should just lift right up. Woo. Almost fell. All right, I got this guy. Considering she's already pretty dickered. There we go. See if we can get a ratchet in on this. Oh, almost. All right, bumper's about to come off right now. We'll get everything off. See that guy right there. She's holding her on. This little itty bitty bolt right there by my finger. Let's get her off. Now, unfortunately, as you can see right here, this is all bent out of shape. It's supposed to be like this, perfectly straight, not bent. Now, I think we could obviously just bend it back, reuse it, but if I'm not mistaken, if you unbolt the front horn here with these 3 bolts on the inside or the bottom, I think this all comes off with it, so we could just get a new one. Anyways, I like to put all the bolts right back where they came. That way you don't lose them or forget where they go. No time like the present. All right. This is the transmission. That's transcooler lines. They're off. What else? What next? This guy I think we're gonna keep connected so we don't have to deal with AC problems. I've been draining this damn thing for literally, this might sound like an exaggeration, but not, 10-15 minutes. All right, folks, so I think the big radiator can come out now. Actually, I might plug this hole. That's her. So I'm trying to get this air box off here, and it just will not come for the life of me. Turns out there's a little tiny bolt. Oh God, there goes my ratchet. Turns out there's a little tiny bolt holding on this damn bar that's welded to the bottom of the air box. Because apparently the bottom of the air box is metal. Needless to say, I did not know. I don't know if that's factory or if that's just a K&N thing. Because apparently this truck has a K&N filter. So. But judging by the looks of the filter, I'd say it's a little overdue in terms of changing it out. There we go. That's one air box out. I'm gonna check the turbine. So the turbine wheel is actually pretty good on this turbo anyways. The other one, I'm not even gonna bother to look at. Well, everyone, oh my. How on earth did that happen? Anyways, as far as we've got tonight, it is 1:30 in the morning. As you can see outside that window, black. This is where we've got today. We got the AC cooler. Yeah, it's about the only thing that's hooked up still. We got the fan shroud off. We got everything taken apart. I think I have most of the wiring ripped off, or separated rather. We got most of this side off, all the coolant lines. I think the only thing that's left is power steering. But that guy is up in here, back there a little bit, and I don't quite frankly know exactly if what needs to be disconnected on that, but I will probably get to that tomorrow, because like I said, it is getting pretty late now. I think we've come a long way for one day. All of the front end ripped off. Next, all we really have left, I think, is transmission, because we're going to be taking that out. I still haven't decided if I want to take it out with the engine. I'm not sure if the engine crane we have here is even strong enough for that. We got to take the transmission off, the cross member, disconnect the drive shafts, case, take that off as well. I guess any ground wires, because I haven't taken a single one off yet, and I know there's a few on here, so definitely gonna, actually no, that's a lie, I've taken like one off. All the radiators, and there's more over there. God, everything's leaking, and cleaning it up though as I go. What I'm trying to get at is most of it's off. I think it'll be pretty close to coming out. Not sure if we'll be able to do that tomorrow or not, but anyways, guys, this is it for the second episode. I'm not sure about the light. I'm not sure exactly what part this is going to be here. Thank you guys for watching. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. If you didn't, hit that dislike button. Subscribe if you love our stuff. We'll be definitely uploading more of this Cummins build and future stuff. Got a few more plans, got a few more junkyard vehicles sitting out back that I got to do something with anyway. So make sure you subscribe to follow along with that. Hit that bell icon if you want to be notified. It's free. It's free. And I will see you guys in the next one.